Presenting Redgear Shadow Blade Mechanical Keyboard in the color black. This Redgear Shadow Blade Mechanical Keyboard is designed ergonomically for games and has a 22 spectrum LED mode for the day and also for the night time. You can adjust the LED as per your requirement. The dimensions of the keyboard are 43.6 by 22 by 4.2 centimeters and the product weighs 1.3 kilograms. The Shadow Blade keyboard comes equipped with mechanical Blue Clicky Switches which gives you tactile feedback of it. It also helps to increase the gaming speed by reducing the effort required to push the keys all the way through and provides a 100% typing speed bonus. The keycaps are perfectly placed which gives you a clicky sound and accurate results every time you click. Its ergonomic design helps distance each pressure laid on it while using it. The keyboard features a Windows key lock that allows you to play for long hours without being any hassle or interruption. Shadow Blade keyboard is also equipped with a control knob that helps you control your media.